Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Daniel Finance, where I teach you how to make money by just using your mobile phone. And today I'm going to be showing you a website where you can make money online by just watching videos. It's legit, it's scam free, and it's all over the world. Anywhere you are, you can make money online by this simple step. Now without quickly wasting time, let's just go to the website. Now open your Chrome browser. Now your Chrome browser, you type on www.wintop.com, then you see something like this. Now Wintop is a website where you can make money online by just watching videos. Here you will see action movies, you will see commercial videos, you will see ads. You just have to watch them for like 30 seconds or more, and you get your money. And this Wintop, you can also refer people. When you refer anybody you refer, you get $1 per referral. This wintop.com, you can transfer your money, you can get paid via PayPal or any other banking option like web banking, Pioneer, and all the rest. Now let's see how to get started on this wintop.com. You first have to sign up a free account. You click on this get started to sign up a free account. When you sign up a free account, you just have to input your first name, your last name, your birthday, indicate that you're a male or a female. Either a male or a female. You're going to put your email address and password and indicate I'm not a robot. You can use this icon to indicate I'm not a robot. Then you click on create account. After clicking on create account, you get your dashboard. And just log into your dashboard. Let's quickly log into the dashboard. And let's log into the dashboard. Now you have to put your email address. I'm going to put your password. You click on login to my account. After logging to your account, you are going to get a free 5. You refer somebody, you get $1. While the person you refer gets $5 after verification. As you can see, this account I've already made use of it. I just make it for the purpose of doing this video. I'm not even make use of it. So now let's quickly check on one of the videos. You're going to have to watch only 5 videos a day in order to get this money. But with your refer, you can make up to $50 per day, $20 per day. Before you know it, you can get up to $100 or $200. Now let's start. Now let's watch a video. I'm going to click on one of the videos to watch. You have to click on the video. Wait. Now, after this, you're going to get your views. Now, this video, you're only going to watch it because you will get the money, which is 0.2 cents. Now, look at it, you just have to click the video, watch it for just. Please listen. If you not watch the video up to this seconds, you might not get your money. So please, you have to watch it to the required seconds, maybe 34 seconds. You click on the video, you have to watch it. You can see the video automatically played. Nice. Now it's counting. You have to wait for it to finish. Please, a little while, let the video finish in front. Now the video is complete now. You can decide to watch the video to the end here. You can also decide to stop it now. You just click on this complete. After clicking on that complete, wait for it to load. Now they say successfully completed job. You receive 0.52 cents. Now as you can see, the money is not showing. see the balance is not showing, so now you have to, as you can see, after refreshing, the balance have changed to $6. Total views $6. As you can see, 6.5 cents. As you can see now, your video. Now these are only on this website by just watching video. For watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Daniel Finance. Thank you very much.